So hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in your pocket. And Qwen team has released Qwen 3.8. Yes, you heard it right. It's a new model, Qwen 3.8 with a massive 2.4 trillion parameters. This model is continuously evolving. We believe it one of the most powerful models today, compatible with leading frontier AI, second only to Fable 5. They have released a model equivalent to Fable 5, and I think it will be giving a strong competition to Kimi K3 also, which has 2.8 trillion parameters. You don't have to wait to test it just now. The Qwen 3 Max preview made its debut on multiple places, and in the short video, I'll be explaining you how to use the model for free. Yes, you heard it right. So you just need to go to Qwen chat, and here on the top, you need to switch to Qwen 3.8 Max preview. Yes, the model is available for free for everyone to use and talk to. This is the latest model about 2.4 trillion parameters for free for everyone. Let me try it out. Hey bro, what's up? Let's hit enter. If you think the model has started thinking now, thinking completed. This was the thinking part. I acknowledge the friendly greeting with a relaxed tone, mirroring the user's informal style. Let me ask it something. What's your take on AI? It has started thinking again. The model is one of the biggest open source model and the best, of course. Yes, they would be soon releasing the benchmarks also, but the way they have hyped it up, this looks to be a crazy release. And yes, they are also open sourcing the weights as well. That's the big part. I think the Qwen team mentioned that they might not be open sourcing anything after Qwen 3.6, but I think Qwen 3.8 max preview, as mentioned in their tweet, is getting open sourced shortly too. Oh, big question. I like it. Here's my honest take. AI is a tool, not a magic wand. The hype is real, but so is the potential. The risk deserves serious attention. The will AI replace humans framing is kinda off. It is able to answer a few questions. Let me ask Matsu. What is 2 minus 3 plus 4 plus 1? Let's check it out. This should come where somewhere around 4. Yes, it is able to give a right answer for this one also. So this is how you can use the one of the best open source model coming from Alibaba Group, Qwen 3.8 Max Preview for free on Qwen Chat. Absolutely free. The link is in the comment section below. Do try it out as soon as possible before the traffic increases on the platform. Thank you so much. I hope you have a great day.